lasagna recipe, let's start with the red sauce. Put olive oil on a medium heat pan. Put your diced onions and your choice of minced meat. In this video, I'll be using minced beef. You can check out the description below for the measurements of these ingredients. Once most of the minced is cooked, you can now put your canned tomatoes and your tomato paste. I accidentally grabbed the whole peeled ones, so I'll just need to crush them on this recipe, but I would prefer the diced tomatoes. I'm now adding beef stock and then salt and pepper to taste. Just mix all of the ingredients together and let it simmer until the sauce thickens. While waiting on that, we can do our cheese sauce on a different pot. Yeah, I know my pot's a bit overused there. You can send me one if you like. Let's start with butter on the cheese sauce. And yeah, it got blurry, sorry about that. Next is the cream cheese, which is really hard to get out of the container. The first time I tried making baked lasagna, I just mixed all the cheese on a mixing bowl without an electric mixer, and it made it so difficult to mix all the cheese. So if you don't have an electric mixer, I highly suggest that you do this method, which is putting all your cheese mixture on a low heat pan so that you get a smooth, consistent cheese sauce for your lasagna. On the separate pan, let's put our frozen carrots, peas, and corn, and a bit of parsley to get that beautiful color for our red sauce. Mix everything together and let that simmer for a bit until the cheese sauce is ready. On our cheese sauce pot, let's put our ricotta cheese. Lasagna is really yummy, but it's just really messy to make. Anyone who agrees with me, let me know in the comments below. I'm just mixing both cheese together before I add one egg. The egg makes it easier for us to spread the cheese sauce once we assemble our lasagna. And because a little bit more cheese is always a good idea, I'm adding more cheddar cheese and Parmesan cheese. We're also adding parsley on our cheese sauce just to have more color and just mixing everything together. Once you get this consistency, then we'll be good to go. The base of our lasagna would be our red sauce. For every layer, make sure that you spread them evenly so that the flavors are also balanced. I'm using lasagna sheets that don't need pre-cooking, so up to you if you want to pre-cook your lasagna sheets. After the base, the order would be your lasagna sheets, mince, and then your cheese sauce. Try your best to spread the cheese sauce evenly on every layer. Do the same pattern until you almost fill up your baking dish, but not up to the brim. No such thing as enough cheese, so I'm adding more cheddar cheese and Parmesan cheese on top. We'll put this in the oven for 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, covered with foil first. We're covering with foil first so we don't melt the cheese while waiting for everything else down there to cook. Stretch the foil or put a toothpick in the middle so that it wouldn't reach the cheese because it will get really ugly. After 30 minutes, remove the foil cover and put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. After that, leave it to rest for 20 to 30 minutes so that you get a good form when you slice it and serve. Sprinkle a bit more parsley on top just to be fancier, and you're ready to serve. Hi girlfriends, Ella here. Thank you so much for watching this video again. And I would just like to take this opportunity to thank everyone na laging nanonood ng videos ko. Minsan kahit di ko pa siya ni-share sa social media, may mga nagko-comment na, so may mga nanonood na pagka-upload. So thank you so much. So as of this day na film ko to, I'm almost at 600 subscribers.
As a small YouTuber, ang hirap siya. So, I really appreciate yung mga nagsusubscribe. And kung gusto nyo akong tulungan na makuha yung 1,000 subscribers, please share this video to one of your friends. So, isa lang na friend nyo to subscribe. And that would really make a difference sa aking channel. Lastly, I would like to thank yung mga lagi nagko-comment sa videos ko, as in consistent, halos sa lahat ng mga videos ko. So, ilalagay ko sila dito. So, thank you so much sa inyo. Sana huwag kayong magsawang mag-comment, manood, at mag-suggest ng mga videos na gusto nyong gawin ko. Thank you!